Hello dear students, welcome back to this class of English. Students, in today's session, I'll be continuing with the same topic of English grammar, that is active and passive voice. So, let's move forward. So, now coming to the next 4 tenses of the total 8 tenses that are used for the conversion of active voice sentences into passive voice. We will revise the 5 steps formula first. So the 5 steps formula is: step number 1, identify the SVO, subject, verb and object. Step number 2, swap the position of the subject and the object. Step number 3, main verb to be changed to verb 3. Step number 4, helping verb of to be written before verb 3, third form of the verb. Step number 5, the preposition by to be inserted, to be added in the sentence before the subject. Fine, in the passive sentence. Okay, now let's see an example of past continuous tense. Now, active sentence: Sarah was singing a song. Now, for passive voice, let's identify the SVO. Step number 1. SVO. Fine. Subject, verb, object. So here Sarah is the subject, singing is the verb and a song is the object. Now step 2, let's swap the position of the subject and the object. Swap the position of the subject and the object. Fine. So it will be a song here. A song will be written here, and at this position it will be Sarah. Fine. Now step 3, converting the main verb to verb 3. So main verb to verb 3. So it will be sung. Sung. Fine. Now adding a suitable helping verb of to be, the 4th step. Helping verb of to be. So it will be was, being. Fine. Lastly, we will add by here to make the sentence complete. The 5th step, adding of the preposition by. So the whole sentence is: a song was being sung by Sarah. Let's now see the example of past perfect tense. Now active sentence. Jay had finished the homework. So for passive sentence, firstly the subject, verb and object have to be identified. So step 1, identify SVO. So J is the subject here, the verb is finished and the object is the homework. Fine. Now the next step is to swap the position of the subject and the object. Clear? So here it will be the homework. And at this position it will be J. Now converting the main verb to the third form, third step. Main verb to V3. So it will be finished. Why? Because finished is the third form of finish. Clear? So we will write finished here. Now the fourth step. The fourth step is to add a suitable helping verb of to be. Clear? So it will be had been. Now the sentence will be like this. The homework had been finished, J. Clear? So it is incomplete. Lastly, we need to add by here to make the sentence complete. And this by is the preposition, the fifth step. Adding of by. Clear? Now the whole sentence is the homework had been finished by J. Clear? So this is the passive sentence. Now here we see an example of simple future tense. Active sentence. She will accept the offer. Now for converting it into passive, firstly we will identify SVO. Step 1, identify SVO. So the subject here is she, the verb is accept, and the object is the offer. Fine. Now step 2, let's swap the position of the subject and the object. Clear? At this position here it will be the offer, and her will be positioned here. She will be turned to her. Now third step says to convert the main verb to third form. So it will be accepted. Main verb to V3. Clear? Now the next step is to add a suitable helping verb of to be. So it will be will be. And lastly we need to add by. The fifth step. Clear? So by preposition. Now the sentence gets completed. So the whole sentence is the offer will be accepted by her. So this is the passive sentence. Active sentence, passive sentence. Okay, let's see an example of future perfect tense now. Future perfect tense. Clear? And the active sentence is I will have charged the battery. So for passive sentence, firstly the subject. I here is the subject. The verb is charged and the object is the battery according to step 1. Clear? Identify SVO, and that has been done. Now according to step 2, let's swap the position of the subject and the object. Swap subject, object. Clear? So it will be what? The battery this side, the battery, and there what will be written? Me in the place of I. Clear? Now third step, converting the main verb to the third form, main verb to V3. So it will be charged. Fine. Now the fourth step is to add a suitable helping verb of to be. Clear? So it will be will have been. Clear? Lastly, we need to add the preposition according to step number 5. By preposition to be added here. Clear? To make the sentence complete. And now the whole passive sentence goes like this. The battery will have been charged by me. So these are the 8 ways through which we can convert an active voice to the passive voice. So I'm sure that you will not have any difficulty in the conversion of active into passive voice now. Hope you will not forget the 5 steps formula as well. That's all. Thank you.